Hi, this is next case scenario in the series Image to Diagnosis Fetal Medicine, Cyst in the Fetal Pelvis. Now, this is the axial scan of uh, pelvis of a fetus at 32 weeks. You see two cysts, cyst C1 and C2, and in the anteroposterior plane. And we have seen an earlier case scenario of cyst in the fetal pelvis, which on our cup, the diagnosis was hydrocolpos at 32 weeks. So is this case also hydrocolpos? But the gender is male. So what else can produce a similar cyst in the fetal pelvis? If you would like to go through the workup of this case, please log on to www.sonoshare.in to the category Image to Diagnosis under Fetal Medicine, Cyst in Fetal Pelvis, the third case scenario. Thank you. If you wish to go through the workup of this case scenario of fetal medicine, please log into www.sonoshare.in. Go to click on the categories to go to the section on image to diagnosis fetal medicine. And when you click on the category, you will see the image to diagnosis fetal medicine. When you click on that, you will get the section on image to diagnosis fetal medicine, and the various case scenarios will be seen one below the other, and click on whichever case scenario you want to see and subscribe, and you can watch the case scenario. Thank you.